What's up, people? We are back on another video on YouTube. We're not really going to be doing nothing. Shut up. Where's back? Look at this fool. Look at this fool. Talking fly. Shower. Which one to do today? Shower. Which one to do? I don't know. What you mean you don't know? What prank?
Alright, go to the people's house and just pebble them pebbles. Then they come over here and they gonna get scared running the house.
No, cause we do that. We put this on YouTube.
Yeah, we
people in my school gonna be laughing cause I get chased by dogs.
Yeah, we be scared, but not scared. It be funny though.
I'm gonna get chased by dogs. What you mean? They gonna be laughing.
It's like us.
Don't mind that girl. She crazy. What the world? This is like a horror movie. Let me get out of here. What's up, man? Yeah, come on. Man. The comments. Let me look at them. Hold on. Well, I can remember. One of them said, who do you like in school? I ain't about to tell y'all nothing. If y'all really think so. And plus, I don't really like really nobody's school. So I don't even know why he asked that. Alright, today, guys, it's just probably gonna be a vlog of what we're doing. Aloha. Cookie with the peekaboo. That was my phone waterproof. Well, it could go in the water for, it could go in one layer of water for about 30 minutes. But I'm not gonna do it. I don't trust Siri. I mean Google. I'm on my phone right now. Shower! Can you stop singing? What are we gonna be doing, Shower? You about to wipe the lipstick? I'm going to put my phone in the water. Ooh. I heard again. Ew, I got water on my...
What?
I got water on my camera. Y'all can see?
Ooh, look at me.
Woo! Look at those fours over there. Look at those fours. What the world? Man, what they doing over... Oh, ew. I don't know what they doing. Hey, Sally. Sally. Hey. What you doing? You like the camera? Look at that girl. Look. Look. Oh. There's gonna be a